If you feel like you're not getting enough conversions from your website, you may be getting very frustrated to the point where you may want to quit your project or side hustle or your business, or you may be getting very tired of redesigning your homepage or your sales funnel because you can't really figure out what exactly is wrong with it. Well, what if I told you that there is a way to increase your conversion rate without completely redesigning your website or your sales funnel from scratch? That's right. It's called A/B testing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with WordPress. Welcome to our guide on A/B testing for conversion rate optimization with WordPress. I am Tony Lewis with Thrive Themes, and I really like nerding out about marketing, business, and web design and development in general. So if any of these topics are of any interest to you, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now, if you're running a website or an online business, you know that driving traffic to your site is only half of the battle. The other half is turning those visitors into paying customers or subscribers or, whatever your desired conversion goal is. And that's where A/B testing comes in. A/B testing is a powerful method that allows you to test different versions of your pages and opt-in forms to see which one performs better in terms of conversions. So now that you have a better understanding of the importance of A/B testing, let's talk about how to actually do it. There are a variety of A/B testing tools for WordPress out there, but we're going to focus on our favorite one, which is Thrive Optimize. Thrive Optimize is a WordPress plugin that makes A/B testing simple and straightforward. It integrates seamlessly with Thrive Architect and Thrive Leads, which are the two plugins that you need to build out your pages and your opt-in forms on WordPress. Okay, so here's how it works. Thrive Optimize allows you to create different variations of your pages and opt-in forms in just a few clicks, and it also has a built-in reporting feature that allows you to see which versions are performing better. And that makes it very easy for you to make informed data-driven decisions about your website's design and content. Take this, for example. Let's say that I'm not convinced on whether the copy on my hero section is getting me the conversion rate that I was hoping for. I can easily tell Thrive Optimize to create a new version for me in which I can update the text and see if it performs better than the old one. Or, maybe it's not the text in the hero section, but the call to action buttons. Or maybe it's not the call to action buttons. Maybe it's the graphic that I want to test. Whatever it is that you're looking to test and optimize, just remember that it's best to only test one thing at a time, because if you do see a change in your conversion results, you want to be able to pinpoint what change in your landing page had a positive or negative effect on your conversions. And once you have your A/B tests up and running, it's important to monitor their performance. This means, tracking how each variant is performing and making sure that the data that you're collecting is, accurate and reliable. The most important metric that we want to be looking at is, of course, the conversion rate. That is the percentage of visitors who complete our goals, such as, making a purchase or filling out a form. And, by tracking the conversion rates of each of our pages, which, again, Thrive Optimize does for us, we can monitor which one is performing better and make informed data-driven decisions about, which variant we should be displaying to all of our website visitors. And, even though conversion rates are, probably the most important metric that you're going to be looking at, it's also important to monitor other metrics such as, bounce rates, time on page, click-through rates. These metrics can give you insights into, how engaged your visitors are with your website, and it can help you identify areas that may need improvement. And, in addition to monitoring performance, it is important to give your tests enough time to run. A/B testing is actually a statistical process, which means that you have to collect enough data to make informed decisions. If you end your tests too early, you may not have enough data to determine which variant is truly the winner. There are things that you have to take into account. Again, statistics play an important role in measuring your A/B tests. If you're only sending 10 people, for example, to each variant, you may not have a big enough sample population to really know if one page is better than the other one because of the changes you've made or because of some other random variable. Hopefully this video has helped you get a better understanding of how to do A/B testing for conversion rate optimization. Just remember that A/B testing is an ongoing process that requires continuous experimentation and monitoring. So, just by using tools like Thrive Optimize and setting clear goals, analyzing results, and giving your tests enough time to run, you can make data-driven informed decisions that will improve the user experience and increase conversions on your WordPress website. Wait, before you leave, if you're interested in A/B testing, improving conversions on your website, and growing your online business, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.